Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this pink cut crease makeup look. This would be a great look for Valentine's Day or any occasion. To start this look, I use the Juvia's Place Berries palette. And I start with the dark wine burgundy shade. And I begin to sketch out where I want the cut crease to begin. Once I have the shape I want, I start to thicken the line and start to blend it out. Next, using the same palette, I'm using the bright pink shade, and I'm using this above where I put the wine color. Then using this palette again, I'm using the lighter pink shade to blend it out. Next, I use makeup remover and Q-tips to cut the crease and remove any excess eyeshadow. Then I go over the top of that with some concealer. Next, I added some tape to the edges just so I'd have a clean line. Then I'm using the Garden of Juvia palette for the sparkly pink shade, and I'm using this in the inner corners of the lid. Then using the same light pink shade we used before, I'm putting that in the middle of the eye, blending in with the previous color. Next, for the outer corners, I'll be using the brighter pink shade and a little bit of the burgundy shade in the very tip of the outer corners. Next, for the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and then topping this with false lashes. And that completes this pink sparkly cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.